Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I got a new subscription box. I love subscription boxes. That's gonna be my new thing. I love them so much. I'm going to hopefully try a different subscription box every like 3 months. I'm gonna continue with BoxyCharm as of right now. I'm gonna continue with FabFitFun as of right now. I used to do Stitch Fix, which I loved it, but it was just so expensive. After I moved to Texas, I thought I was gonna go back to it, but after like looking at all the previous items and stuff that I got, it's just not worth it for me now that I live here because they've got a Nordstrom rack really close. They've got so many TJ Maxx's and Ross's and stuff that I find really good clothing items at, and even some of them are the same brands that were in my Stitch Fix, and I get to choose it myself. So I still love subscription boxes. I still love clothing subscription boxes. So the one that I'm gonna go over today is Ellie Box. Talk a little bit more about this one in a second. Let me reverse. I want to hopefully do a new subscription box every 3 months. So as far as this one goes, I'll try it for 3 months and then switch to a new subscription box. If I like it enough, I will continue it just like I am with BoxyCharm and FabFitFun. But I just want to keep switching it out so I can get to know more subscription boxes, compare, and I want to do a wide range of different types of subscription boxes as well. Obviously, BoxyCharm is more makeup. FabFitFun is, you know, kind of an everything. And Ellie Box is a workout clothing subscription box. So let's get more into this. First of all, it came a little crunched up, but I mean, there's nothing breakable in here, I don't think. Ellie Box, there are several different plans you can get. You can get 2 items for $39.95 a month. That's a top and a bottom. You can get 3 items for $44.95 a month. That's a top, a bra, and a bottom. Or you can get 5 items for $49.95. That's a top, bra, bottom, plus 2 fitness/lifestyle accessories. So that is the plan that I went with. I went with the $50 one, and I also used a code for my first box. So it was like 20% off. So it ended up being like 30 something. It was a lot cheaper. So from here on out, it will be $50 a month. The cool thing about this subscription box, and by the way, I won't go over every single little detail in the next boxes, but since this is my first Ellie box, I want to give you as much information as I can, so you know. With Ellie Box, you actually get to pick out your outfit, your bra, shirt, and pants. They give you, I scrolled through here right now and it gave me 11 different options. I haven't gotten an email to choose for my next month yet. I don't know if that's just because I just got this one, but on their website, these are all different outfits than when I picked mine. So I'll just show you real quick. Hopefully you can see, just to scroll through some outfit options. There's a lot of different fun ones. Some of them come as a sweatshirt, some of them are just a tank top. And then if you click on it, it'll show you, so if you were gonna get the bra and pants, this is what you would get. And then it shows the bra, pants, and shirt. So it, you know, it's cool that you get to see what you're getting so you kind of know that you're gonna like it. And some of these I don't like, so I'm glad I got to choose mine. Actually, a couple of these are the same as last time, I'm pretty sure. So it says free shipping, free returns. I'm assuming if that something doesn't fit you, you can skip any month, cancel anytime, and blah, blah, blah. You can also buy single items. You don't have to just buy their subscription box or at all. You can get other things as well. So if there's any other information, I will link it in the description box below. I will link my code in the description box so you can get, it's either 20 or 25% off your first box. So if anybody's interested, yeah. Let's just dive into the box first and then we will try it on and I'll tell you what I think. So you get a cute little pamphlet and it tells you what you get. Everything comes wrapped all nice. So those are my 3 clothing items. This item here, I do believe you get as a first-time customer. It's kind of like a free gift that you get. Holy cow, this is huge. It's a water bottle, and I knew I was getting it because it showed it to me in my like cart of what I was getting, and it said I was getting it for free. So I mean, that's cool. It's pretty rose gold color. I love the color of the Ellie Box stuff. I love rose gold. That's nice. Huge water bottle. I'm not a fan of the cap water bottles just because when I'm working out, I would rather have one of those like ones that you can squirt in your mouth, and I don't have to take the time to unscrew this, but this is a good one for at home. Yeah, it's cute. I like it. Okay, so I already tried on the clothing items so I could show you what they look like on, but I also wanted to show you them close up so you could see any little details and stuff. We will start with the sports bra first, and the color of this and the pants is this gorgeous, like, periwinkle bluey purple. Oh my god, I love it. It's got padding on the inside, which seems pretty nice. It's got like little inserts so you can take the padding out. The brand is, I think of all of this is Zobha, Z-O-B-H-A. This says it's a size small, which is good because if I got an extra small on this, it probably would not have fit. But I love it. I think the color is just my favorite. That's why I picked these. And then the back I think is so cute. The little strappy details. I just love this so much. It also has a tag on it that says low impact. So I'm assuming you're like, I don't know what that means. Maybe it's not meant for running. I'm part of the itty bitty titty committee though, so it doesn't matter for me. Nothing super special about the sports bra other than the strappy backing detail. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. It was super comfortable on. It was super cute on. I think it fit me pretty well. I do have strap marks on my back in the video though because of the sports bra that I'm wearing right now. So sorry. Let's move on to the pants. I think these are super gorgeous. I love the style. I mean, there's no style. It's just a legging. They go all the way down to the ankle. I probably could have gotten away with sizing up to a size small instead of an extra small, although I think I gained a little bit of weight since Corona because I have not been going to the gym. So just it really squeezes my waist quite a bit, so it kind of makes me look a little bit funny. But that's only if I wear like just the sports bra and pants, but I don't do that. I always wear a shirt over it because I am not that confident. Super cute, just plain. There is a insert on the front inside for like a phone or a music device, and at first when I looked at it I'm like, there ain't no way in hell my phone's fitting in this. Well, I have a Note 9 and it fits in there. I mean, the width does. Doesn't go very deep, but I mean that would still probably work. I didn't notice it when I had them on, so I didn't try it out, but I mean hopefully it does. I'll keep you updated on if it works or not. I like them. I think they're comfy. The last part of the clothing is just a simple white tank top, and I was really scared of this at first because me and white do not get along. I always get white dirty, and I'm surprised this doesn't have foundation on it. How do the pants have foundation on it? I don't know. Just super simple white tank with a keyhole back, which is really cute because then it shows the details of the bra off. And I really love, this is so soft. I mean, the leggings and the bra is soft too, but this material, holy cow, it's so soft and it's so lightweight. So it's so great because I live in Texas, live in San Antonio, so it's hot and it's humid and yucky. So this is perfect. It's a perfect tank top. I would wear this with jeans and stuff too. I mean, not that I'll wear jeans, but like shorts, whatever. Overall, 10 out of 10 for this outfit. I think it's so cute. And honestly, I think this is a really good deal, even without the 2 items in the box. Paying $50 and getting 3 workout items, because even when I go to TJ Maxx or Ross or Marshall, wherever, for workout clothes, I generally pay $20 for yoga pants, $12, $13 on a sports bra, and then shirts are still around $10 to $12. So that's 40 something dollars right there. And plus I'm getting 2 more items and I'm paying $50. I think that's really good. And these are great brands. Plus I still get to choose to make sure I like what I'm getting. So overall, I mean, just with those 3 clothing products, I'm in love with this so far. But let's move on and get to the lifestyle or workout items. The next one, these 2 items you don't get to choose, by the way. This one is a cooling towel by Maraca. It says stay cooler longer, evaporative action, and antimicrobial. It's an 18-inch by 25. I've never used one of these before. Soak in cool water before using. Wring out excess water. Snap towel to activate cooling. Put it around your neck, around your forehead, or on your head, and more. I mean, I've seen people use towels like this, but I've just never used one. But this would be probably good for out when I'm walking outside since it's so hot here. That is not what I imagined this to feel like. Oh, it already feels wet. Is it supposed to feel like that? Or it just feels cold? Is it wet or is it just cold? I don't know. What is this contraption? Is that what it means by snapping it? How do you snap something? I don't know how this works yet. It feels good right now. I didn't get it wet or anything, and it still feels cool, so. Wring out, snap towel. Oh. Like, snap? I think that's what it means. I don't know, cool, that's cool. Whatever. Okay, last item is a crossbody sports bag. I just got a fanny pack. Zip it in the front here, a zipper for here, and then a zipper in the back. So I think how it's pictured, you're supposed to wear it around your back. And this is also the same brand as the clothing. Do you like my backpack? Am I cool now? Is it on the right way? Is it? I fixed it. It's on the right way now. Yes! I don't know. I could do without the fanny pack. I mean, it might be good for like when I go on walks with my daughter or something. Like pack some snacks, a little juice bag. My towel, that'll fit in there. Quality doesn't feel the best. I don't know what a sports fanny pack bag is supposed to feel like, but not my favorite. I don't care because everything else I loved and I think is awesome. So Ellie Box is a 10 out of 10. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Again, I will be getting this for at least 2 more months to keep testing out to make sure after month 3 I still like it. I'll give you my overall thoughts after month 3. But first one, 10 out of 10. I think this is great. Let me know in the comments what subscription boxes you guys want to see because I want to do them all. I'm a subscription box hoe. At least I want to be. All right, that's it. I'll post all the information down below. Let me know what you want to see. Do all the things. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.